1. Respect the local customs. When visiting churches or religious sites, dress modestly and cover your head, for women, and shoulders. Also, avoid pointing your feet towards religious icons, as it is considered disrespectful. 2. Be punctual. Russians value punctuality, so make sure to arrive on time for meetings, appointments, and social gatherings. Being late may be seen as a sign of disrespect. 3. Master the art of toasting. Toasting is an important part of Russian culture, especially during meals and celebrations. Be prepared to participate in toasts and learn some common phrases like "za zdorove," "za zdorovye," to your health. 4. Remove your shoes. When entering a Russian home, it is customary to remove your shoes and put on slippers provided by the host. This is a sign of respect and helps keep the home clean. 5. Don't smile at strangers. In Russia, smiling at strangers can be perceived as insincere or even suspicious. Save your smiles for friends and acquaintances and maintain a more neutral expression when interacting with people you don't know. I hope these rules help you better understand Russian culture and etiquette. Let me know if you need any more information or assistance.